So it's ruining the counter, which is also just a piece of plastic on some plywood because my kitchen is a hot mess. I mean, not the whole thing. I have a really fancy dishwasher. It is sitting on bricks, but the dishwasher is fancy. But that dish rack was dumb, so I bought a new one on the TikTok shop, and it's only the second thing I've ever bought, and I am obsessed. To be honest, I thought TikTok shop was like Temu or Wish.com, and your stuff would show up on your porch in a trash bag. But for something that cost me $13, this is legit packaging. Putting it together would have taken all of 20 seconds, but I was kind of an idiot, and I kept trying to put it together upside down. Don't do that. Just follow the instructions, and it's a piece of cake. Quality-wise, I am super impressed. It is made of metal. The tray is a really thick plastic. It's legit. And it was only $13. Side note, I saw a bunch of different sellers on TikTok shop selling this for all the way up to $150. Don't spend that. It was like $13.73, I think, when I bought it. And I bought it with something else too, so I got free shipping. Don't mind all the cat dishes. There's a feral colony. We're trying to get it under control. Also, does anybody know what this is? It's been sitting here since I moved in, and I don't know what it is. At this point, I was pretty disappointed because the spout on the bottom doesn't actually reach the sink, and I thought this whole thing was a complete waste. Luckily, I realized that the spout actually extends. I really should have just read the instructions. So yeah, the only issues I had were because I was being stupid. This thing is perfect, and it is adorable, and I don't know why I'm so excited about a dish rack, but I am. I think it's because it's like such good quality, and it was like no money. Like, I feel fancy.